So this is the generator I dropped off the hoist. Honestly, I want to know if it's still worth scrapping. If this little Coleman Power Mate, and she's a vintage model, doesn't mean it's worth anything, but is there copper inside or is it aluminum? Let's get at it and find out together. As normal for a generator, this is the part we're after. From here, that way. I know you guys are saying, hey, there's aluminum there in that engine. And tell you the truth, my scrapyard doesn't have a irony aluminum category. So they only take shred, and that's where it's going, straight in the shred. Takes a couple hours to take one of those apart, and for the amount of aluminum you get, it's just not worth it. Wow, Coleman. Good old plastic. A little bit of wire in there. There's a plug and the capacitor. Wow, that's underwhelming. Looks like we got a video. There's some copper. And, you know, that's actually quite a big crown, so it does look promising. I don't know. Have to investigate that. Well, look at all that. There's brass, a little bit of rubber over top of the brass, so that can go in your dirty brass. Nice. Yay. Nice. Bonus. This one didn't even need heat. Nice cast aluminum. Well, for poops and giggles, let's see how much this thing weighs the way it is. At this weight, it is 21 pounds, 8.4 ounces. How much copper do you think we'll get out of it? Bleep bloop that in the comments. Hopefully you figure it out before I get the copper out. And at the same time, this armature is 9 pounds, 5 ounces. How much copper is in there? This Recip saw sucks. Can you guys tell me which one you're using? Because I'm going to have to buy a new one. Beautiful, solid copper all the way through. Cut the strings. So that's 4 pounds, 9.3 ounces. So that equals to 21.55% copper. That's not bad. I didn't expect that. Now we're going to do this. The rotor, armature, whatever you want to call it. I'll get this cut up and come right back. I'll tell you, this stupid plastic makes it way harder. Oh, maybe not. So let's see what was in the armature. 2 pounds, 8.1 ounces. That works out to be 26.45% of that weight was copper. So if you're asking if armatures are worthwhile, I think they are. You've seen that didn't take very much work at all. So the results are in. What do you get out of a really small Coleman generator? It started off at 65 pounds, which I know I didn't show you. The total recovered value is $48.64. This took me an hour and 15 minutes to scrap, and that was with filming. So I could have probably done it quicker if I didn't have to manipulate the camera and stuff. So just looking up my numbers, 7 pounds, 1.5 ounces of clean copper, 1 pound and 1.4 ounces of cast aluminum, a little bit of steel shred, 57 pounds at 11 cents a pound. So that works out to $38.91 an hour. I would do those all day long, definitely. So that's not a bad day at the shop. And make sure you go to NiceJunk.ca, help support the channel. Thank you everyone for that bought shirts. Go over there, buy some more shirts. I'm going to come out with some new designs here soon as well. So the old ones might drop off. You never know. And if you enjoyed this episode, make sure to like, share, subscribe. And that was some nice junk.
Forged in fire, cut to the core. Hidden copper, always worth more. Grind it down, weigh every chunk. Scrap it clean, that's some nice junk.